Sebelum ini.
Hi everyone, my name is Taanusiya Chetty, your Miss Globe Malaysia 2023, here at GLOJAS Aesthetic to get my facial treatment. I know that I only have less than 5 weeks left towards my preparations towards the international stage. Hey guys, I'm Taanusiya here back at GLOJAS to get my second treatment. So before this, I got myself like the dark spot treatment to actually enhance my skin, and within just one session my dark spot has been faded so much better. So for those who have been through the same issues like mine, you should definitely pay a visit to GLOJAS because the previous visit compared to my skin right now, it feels so much brighter, and I'm definitely excited for my next treatment as well.